Today we are checking out a webcam that's not just smart, it's got personality. This is the Emeet Piko Plus, a dual camera 4K Ultra HD webcam packed with AI-powered features. Right out of the box, the dual camera system looks exciting. You get Ultra HD 4K clarity combined with AI-assisted focus and exposure, making sure you always look your best. And thanks to the Sony sensor, you will notice better low-light performance and vibrant colors, even in dimly lit spaces. Now here's something unique. This webcam has a panda-inspired design. Not only does it add a playful touch to your setup, but it also doubles as a privacy feature. No awkward tape over the camera hacks needed. Audio quality matters just as much as video, and the AI-powered sound optimization adapts to your environment. Whether you are in a quiet room or a noisy space, the Emeet Piko ensures clear, noise-free communication. The customizable software lets you tweak settings, create different video scenarios, and even use live multi-camera switching, great for content creators, educators, or professionals who need extra flexibility. Testing audio on Emeet Piko Plus. So if you are looking for a webcam that combines 4K quality, smart AI features, privacy and fun design, the Emeet Piko Plus is a good choice. This is all about this webcam, and as always, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more reviews. See you in the next one.